Want to create a text opening like this? Let's get started. First, import your footage in a black background into the timeline. Make sure you set the ratio, and remove the original sound if your video has audio. Place the black background above the footage as an overlay. Select the black background, then go to Mask and choose Text. Adjust the font, size, and style based on your preference. After that, enable reverse. Next, add keyframes at the beginning and at the 1 second mark. On the first keyframe, move the mask to the left until it goes outside the frame. Play the video to check the result. Once you're satisfied, right-click and select Create Compound Clip. Now add a split mask to the compound clip. Then add 2 keyframes at the 2 second and 3 second marks. On the second keyframe, move the clip upward until it exits the frame. After that, duplicate the compound clip. Select the duplicated clip, go to Mask, and enable reverse. Then on the second keyframe, move the clip downward until it exits the frame. Make sure both compound clips are aligned so the movement stays smooth and consistent. Play the video to see the result. And that's it. Your text opening animation is ready. Simple, right? In the next video, we'll learn more editing techniques to improve your videos. So make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.